Welcome to Never Dull Moment. We love showing you sharp shit, and we got some. Okay. So again, Little Bird told me. I have no clue. I was told that this Kawamura Santoku, the Shirogami one, was a laser. This particular blacksmith, the family has more than 50 years of blacksmithing. It looks like Shirogami is their preferred steel. And the shape is a little bit unique. And this is a Santoku. Let's go ahead and take a look. So this Shirogami 165 millimeter Santoku. It looks like a Santoku Bunka hybrid.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't know what it wants to be.
Yeah.
And so what I did was I got out a regular traditional Santoku. This is the Takamura. We were very impressed by this knife. So this...
Yeah, with a handle that was, yeah.
I actually had stated that this knife was the knife that if I had to buy every single person on the planet one knife, this is the one I would buy them. This is a more traditional. So maybe I'm a little bit wrong. Maybe I was thinking that the Kawamura had a little bit more of a pointy. I mean, doesn't it? I'm asking my wife.
I think it's because of much bigger.
Definitely the height is a lot bigger.
And then it tapers to that point. And I feel like, okay, so there's more of a rounded here. Sorry, y'all. I'm not being a good director. I feel like this is more elongated here in comparison.
Yeah, so it's like a Santoku trying to be a Bunka, I think.
I think that's why you feel like it's pointier.
Let's go ahead and do a comparison of the spine. The Takamura is just completely thin, laser-ish. It was extremely sharp out of the box.
Yeah.
We definitely see a much thicker spine as it's going right into the handle.
Yep.
But even as it goes down to the taper, I think it's still a little bit of a thicker knife.
Oh, for sure.
So, but with it being the steel that's supposed to be the sharpest, with a family that's supposed to like specialize in this, you can really see the core steel as it just peeks out. So I'm super excited. I mean, I like the tsuchime, that's their pattern. I like the Kurichi darkness that's in there.
I mean, it's a unique pattern on there, I would say.
Definitely just something that's indicative of their family. All right, so we're going to go into... Now, again, I've had this knife for like more than a year. We're getting ready to do the 21 knives of 2021. We want to give all of these their own individual testing before we do the 21 knives. So... let's make sure we have all the info. Okay, so we are ready to go with the first test. So sub 200, 119 is a fantastic score. Let's get the second score.
It's still pretty sharp.
I mean, that is sharp by like any standard period. I'm actually excited to sharpen a Shirogami one just to see, because you should be able to get it like the sharpest. So let's go in. So 155. So sub 200, extremely sharp knife. This knife is super affordable. This is like a $219 knife. I will say in comparison, though, the Takamura, the SG2 on that, it was, I think, probably sharper. If I remember, it was like 118. I could be wrong. And if I am wrong, I'll definitely put it on here. But you can get that for about 125.
Big difference.
There's a big difference. Again, just letting my fingers, it's just gravity is letting it fall. So I'm literally not pushing. Okay. It fell. So it's a really sharp knife.
It just fell.
It did. It just fell. I didn't do this before. Let's give this a try.
I mean, of course.
Yeah, the bite is ridiculous.
Okay.
So if you're a Santoku fan, if you like sharpening Shirogami, I'm super excited about it. I did a horrible job of doing that. So we've got paper towel, not quite. If you saw the Kobayashi,
It was paper towel.
Kobayashi was like super paper towel ready. So I'm definitely going to be excited to. I'm going to be doing a video called "Making a Laser." This is definitely one of the knives I want to use along with a Shibata, and see what we can do. Beautiful knife. Really cool. I think my wife would like this size. I think this is a good size for her. 165 millimeter. The handle's not overly big. Pretty to look at. It is reactive. So if you guys are, getting into Japanese knives, just remember that this is going to be reactive, say, versus a Takamura, the SG2, where it's going to really fight the staining and the oxidation a lot more. But just a beautiful knife to add to collection and something unique to look at. But part of the collection, 21 Knives of 2021. We're excited to bring that video to you soon. As always, thanks for checking in. We're glad that we could bring you this fit and finish of this Kawamura blacksmith that we, this is the only Kawamura that we have. Mm-hmm. So there you go.
All right, Greg.
And definitely different purveyors.
Sorry.
My wife is just kicking cameras and stuff. So definitely there are different purveyors out there that carry this particular knife, and I will put multiple links to get you the best deal on finding this knife. As always, we thank you guys for checking in to Never a Dull Moment. We will see you on Friday nights, sometimes Tuesday nights. God bless. This was definitely not a dull moment. And we're out. Okay. And it won't stop again? So you hit the power button.